hear me scream like a little bitch?
I have my knife.
I got a bad a bad man rocket.
Look, here, take a picture right here one time.
Where?
In that first block, like out over the edge of it.
What do you mean?
There's nothing in there.
Up now. Over,
Oh, up there?
Over this way, to your right. Right there. If you reach up on top of that block where you're touching with the badminton racket.
Up, like,
right there, there's holes in there too.
Is it?
Stick your fingers in there.
No! You think I'm high?
Yo, stand on this. Put your foot on here. Grab onto this thing right here.
Alright, hold this thing.
And then look up through there.
Right there. Like right here.
No, you're good up there. There's nothing up there. That's
Except for
just...
spiders.
Spiders won't be up there.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'd
I'm positive.
rather touch a bat than fucking spiders.
Ow, fuck!
I'm still recording.
I don't give a fuck.
Like right up in the top of that block in them holes.
You see anything up there?
Take a picture in there.
Oh shit, there's holes. Yeah. I ain't put my finger down
Take a
there.
picture of it.
Here,
No, I'll
record it.
record it.
Record it.
All the way across the there's 2 holes. See if anything in there.
Yo, I'm getting the fuck down.
Where's that come from?
I don't know. I don't give a fuck.
You hear it?
The like screeching noise?
It's scratching. It was over here. What ghost hunting? Check the videos.